This is zboymntbn. Previously on Akong Life.
Ano kami, maglilinis kami ng bahay.
Ayun, zaba nga.
Ay, manimpir, magita basta naibisita. What's happening, Yuri? Just tell us.
Shake.
Ito naman yak. Ay, mga tali. Cooking a lumpia. Do crabs and stuffs with my mom. Para sa prutas. Ano to si pangalan ng pastika? Okay, mom's gonna put the plastic. So, and today, we're going to 1, 2, 3, go! I wish my camera is as good as my eyes because that is so good. Can we have a content called taking photos in a cheap beach?
Yes.
Oh my god, so Teds is, you know,
Feels like
millennial now.
Unsa masakit ang tuli yak?
That is not
Ipakita ko na yak sa in front of camera.
so sick.
I need to judge people like, oh my god, that's my brother.
Well, guys, what I learned about this trip is that every one of the family is important. Like, this is, you know, getting out with your family and going out, enjoying the beach with your family is really important. Because it builds the walls of the family, which is really great. And it brings the closure in all of you. That's it. So how's the feeling that you jump in a cliff? Like,
What the fuck?
it's the husband.
The first time it's like, fuck. I'm like, dad is like, yeah, go, jump. Like, you know, if you can swim, then yeah, jump. Die. Okay. So it says here, just go. What the fuck? Where am I gonna going?
I am almost never.
Do what you love and love what you do.
Look at this. I'm gonna surprise my siblings about this. What I did here. This is so aesthetic. Hey guys, I have a surprise for you. Come out. Just close your eyes first, huh? Come out. Come on. What the? Come on. Okay, close your eyes, bitches. Close your eyes. Oliver, close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Get out of there. Get out of there. And I will say 3, 2, 1, then you open your eyes and look at my bed on my studio right there. What I did. Sige. 1, 2. What the? Okay, just look at it. Okay, what can you say about it? Daddy, what's your idea about that? Stop. Okay, that's cool. Mom, what's your idea with my bed?
What?
My bed. How?
What's your reaction?
Yeah, what's your action about it? Okay, guys, so I have the most supportive family, so that's it. I'm so lucky. Bye bye. Hey guys, we just come home from 1, 2, 3, go. Siblings night out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. No, it's a big content. That siblings night out na mo. It's super. It's this big content for the Akong Life series. Kaya nindot kay mga nahitabo dito. We played with our cousins nga bag-ura na mo na kauban ang usap kay taga-Bohol sila. Sad fact is that well, nako siya na videohan because akong gida akong camera and nabili na ko ang akong memory card sa laptop. Hey bud, we're going to take a bath. How about that, huh? How about that? Take a bath? I've just taken a shower. So, I'm alone in the house. And just something to say to all of you who watches this. So guys, akong mama and papa, you know, something like confront me about doing this stuffs, like doing video. I don't think if I could continue this one, like, because of our electric bills. Our electric bills is really big. Like, ilang giingon tungod daw sa sige na ko og kanang edit, like sa laptop, nako daw kuha sa kuryente. Just so bad pod kay wala man koy ma-contribute, wala pa man koy salary nga ako adjud. But if do so mom and dad watches this, I will promise nga basta gana jud koy ako ang trabaho, I will be the one who pays the electric bills because I am the one who is dako gamit ba. But please support me and I will continue doing this because this is what I love. This is something like worth living for para nako. That's it. Hey guys, this is zboymntbn signing off for this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, tweet me at zboymntbn, and anything else to add, Marvin?
Nothing.
Shit.